In this channel, we are talking about a cat, six generation of one cat. The other channel normally talking about a part of the life of one cat. Here we are talking six generation of one cat. Her name is Young Lady. Born in Christmas Day 7 years ago. Around 7 years ago until now, I published video in the YouTube about young lady and young lady family. Now young lady have six generation in her family, and also the channel have more than 21,000 video about young lady family. I think it is the longest daily cat story in the YouTube, because I publish video from young lady birthday until now, every day, even without one day off. Thus I call the channel Time Machine Cat. It means any cat you see in more than 21,000 videos, you can find a video. Who is the mom? Who is the grandma? Who is the grandma? And who is the grandma? Six generations in more than 7 years, and more than 21,000 videos. Now young lady have six generation, and also she have 7 group grandchild and 1 group grandchild. If you want support big family of young lady, would you please subscribe the channel and like the video if you are interested.